guess the hunt's gonna be a little harder than we thought. We'll be in touch.
Maybe you just didn't tell me this time.
Today we're heading to a massive private collection in Brooklyn that we've never been to before. And it's sort of like the sorting room of the Smithsonian. This thing I have here, you might be interested in. Oh, nice. You might have something you may be interested in. If those are what I think they are, they're actually quite rare and valuable. This is Oddities.
Yeah, it's also a long time ago, and I forgot
That would
about it.
really work well in our customer's photo shoot. Today we're heading to a massive
He has
collection
super
that
balance.
we've never been to before, and we have no idea what to
He
expect.
immobilizes the person.
Drew, please meet you. Evan?
Nice to meet you. Come on in. Wow. Man, this is a nice place. My name is Drew. I got a metal fabrication company. I'm also a collector. If people come by to the house, the first thing I'll tell them is it's sort of like the sorting room of the Smithsonian.
He's got hiccups again.
Always stuff as you're just kind of traveling around.
So I'm recording it.
I dug out a few things. And the first thing I have here, you might be interested in. There's a dog head I have. Oh, nice. The dog head came from Baltimore. We're down there on a job.
It's a natural mummification.
We tried out, basically. When he showed us that desiccated dog head, it took me a second to realize it was real. I thought it was some really weird flesh animal, kind of or piece of art.